Ready? Start. This writ petition has been filed under Article 32 as public interest litigation. In the writ petition, although apart from Union of India, all the states and the Union territories have been impleaded as party respondents, but we have not issued notice to the states and Union territories. Learned Solicitor General has appeared for Union of India Respondent number 1 and has also filed an affidavit dated 30/11/2020. This writ petition is being decided without issuing notice to respondent numbers 2 to 38. After hearing the Learned Solicitor General appearing for Union of India, the petitioner in the writ petition questions the decision taken by the various states and union territories and the authorities to affix posters outside the residences of persons who are COVID-19 positive and are required to stay home isolation. The petitioner prays that directions be issued to stop publishing the names of COVID-19 positive persons by the official of the health department in the states of union territories and also to stop freely circulating their names in welfare associations of colony and apartment complex, which are serious violation of fundamental rights, right to privacy and right to live with dignity. We have heard Sri Pradeep Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Sri Tushar Mehta, Learned Solicitor General. Sri Chirag Sraf has also appeared for NCT of Delhi. Learned Counsel for the petitioner in support of the writ petition makes following submissions. Affixing posters outside residences of COVID-19 positive persons amounts to unprecedented violation of the right to privacy, which is a fundamental right guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. The importance of the fundamental right to privacy and its essence stands recognized by this court in its judgment rendered in the case of Justice K.S. Puttaswamy retired versus Union of India, reported in 2017, 10 SCC 1. COVID-19 positive persons are having to live in their homes with posters publicly affixed outside their residences and their names being widely disclosed and circulated in public forums are the most inhuman and indignified experience. This subjects the persons into becoming talk of the neighborhood and their private lives, and illness becomes the topic of idle gossip. Moreover, the dignity of the person lies in the ability to live in the society with respect. When posters are affixed and names are circulated publicly, the private life of an individual is subjected to public scrutiny, which destroys the very ethos of one's dignity. COVID-19 positive persons cannot be denigrated merely because they have contracted the illness. Illness of a person cannot be made a reason or ground for discrimination and differential treatment. There are the principles upon which Article 14 of the Constitution is founded. Moreover, the Constitution does not and can never permit discrimination on the ground of illness and physical suffering. COVID-19 with its malefic effects is most harrowing experience both physically and mentally. To add to this is the traumatizing experience of living in isolation and the severe curtailment of freedom.